Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to install Vencord. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Vencord is a modification for the Discord client that allows users to add custom plugins and themes to their Discord experience. It provides enhanced customization options beyond what is available in the standard Discord client. However, using Vencord is against Discord terms of service and there is a risk of getting banned, although the likelihood is considered low. Users interested in Vencord can download it from the official website, follow the installation instructions, and then access additional customization features within their Discord settings. It's important to be aware of the risks associated with using third-party modifications and to use them responsibly. So first, go to vencord.dev. Then click on Download Vencord. Download vencordinstaller.exe. If you receive a warning, choose Allow Download and then run the file. After doing that, you may see a security warning. Click on More Info and then Run Anyway to proceed. Choose the version of Discord you want to patch. For most users, this will be the stable version. Then click Install. Once installed, open Discord. Go to your user settings. You should now see Vencord with options for plugins and themes. If you need a custom Discord bot for your server, Vencord lets you customize your Discord experience by adding new plugins and themes. You can now enhance functionality with plugins and change the look of Discord with custom themes. While these features can make Discord more personalized and user-friendly, it's important to remember that using Vencord is against Discord terms of service, which could risk getting your account banned. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can install Vencord. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.